Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
So, kami na naman to.
Yeah, we're the Angelo sisters.
Yes.
Guys, welcome to my first vlog.
Our first vlog.
Our first vlog.
Our first vlog.
So, we're gonna show you what's inside our makeup bag.
Here's my makeup kit.
So we have our own
Pakita niyo
makeup
kung
kit.
saan galing.
Oh, so this is from Forever 21. $3 lang to, guys.
Wait lang na kaya chip ko. Victoria's Secret. Yung free. Free lang yan. Ako, it's from Cat Kidston. A gift lang.
Thanks,
from my
Tita
birthday.
May.
Shout out kay Tita Mary Ann. Uy, ano yan? Tita Selga.
Yeah.
So, wala po kaming pambili. Yung mga bigay-bigay.
Game.
Okay, next.
Comment down below kung sino may pinaka-cute na makeup kit.
I think me.
Siyempre ako.
I
Ako
go
yan.
with the small, tapos may ganito pa siya.
Guys, ito talaga.
No, this one.
Game na.
Okay, game. Okay,
So,
so
what's inside?
let's start with the base, like primer. So, what's your primer? I have my Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser.
Kasi baby pa siya.
Kasi
I have
baby
my,
pa ako.
from the Face Shop. So it's a velvet skin primer. So I like this so much. Sobrang 1 year supply ko na yata to.
Ako naman, di ako nagpa-primer kasi wala akong money pambili.
Tsaka wala siyang pores.
Pero ito talaga yung ginagamit ko. Kasi favorite vlogger ko si Ray Hermar. Tapos sa kanya ko nakita to. Yung Face Republic na sun gel na super screen. Tapos so parang ano na rin siya.
That
Parang
is
primer
foundation.
na rin siya. Tapos sunblock. So all in one.
How much?
It's 600 sa Watson.
Oh, mine
So-
is ano pala? 300.
This one's like 700 sa the Face Shop.
Okay. I have my Match Perfection from Rimmel. Thank you, Tita Lime, for giving me this one. It's the shade light medium 335.
Okay, I have the Fit Me from Maybelline. Kasi sobrang cheap ko talaga ito. Pero I like this so much. Sobrang ganda niya. This is the shade medium 25.
Ako naman, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. $30 siya, so medyo pricey. Pero okay naman. Ang tagal na rin niya sa
Dami niyang money.
Daddy ko naman nagbayad niya. So, pag nag-States kayo, worth it naman siya.
Okay, so next we have our eyelash curler. So this one,
curler?
galing to kay Ate Nikki. Like, kinuha ko lang siya from her makeup kit. Kasi meron na siya, inuwan siya ni Ate from Hong Kong. And then ako wala, so kinuha ko naman yung kanya.
Hindi ko na alam kung saan ko nabili. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ko nabili.
Face Shop.
Oh yeah, the Face Shop. Lahat ng makeup ko sa the Face Shop. Mura lang siya. Mga 200
Yeah,
to
200.
300. Yeah.
Ako ito, it's so cute, di ba? Pinauwi ko from Hong Kong kay ate. Magkano to? As in, ganyan siya. Oh.
Yata.
Super cute niya gamitin, guys. Tapos, kasyang-kasya sa makeup kit. So, dito kayo.
Thanks to ate. Sponsor
Thanks
ko
to
yun.
Ate Janine.
Okay.
Okay, next, mascara. So, I'm using the Hyper Curl Volume Express from Maybelline. So, kanina ko, sa'yo din ata. No, I bought this. I don't know kung magkano, pero I bought this. Pero dati ginagamit ko yung kanya, pero I have my own.
Ako din, Volume Express Hyper Care from Maybelline.
Parang-
125.
Ako, ito yung go-to mascara ko.
Oh, kanino yan?
Kay mommy naman to. Galing sa, anong brand to?
Some Kielos.
Basta di ko alam kung anong brand. Ayan, Clinic ata, pero di ko sure. Pero yan. Tapos, travel friendly din siya. Kasyang-kasya sa makeup kit. Tapos ganyan yung...
Parang Christmas tree.
Oh, yun, di ba? Super cute.
And then next, wala tayong base, di ba?
What's next?
What? Okay, so wala kayong ganito eh, pero I have my sunscreen. I have my sunscreen na ginagamit ko pang base from my dermatologist. What's your base? What's your base?
Guys, Face Republic.
Base ba to?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm using this BB cream cushion from the Face Shop. So I have the shade C203 Natural Cool. So sobrang okay niya. Medyo pricey siya, pero
How much?
worth it. So like 1,000 pesos. Pero nung nabili ko siya, may promo siya na parang may free refill na siya. Pero I like the packaging. Sobrang good.
Okay, so next, I...
Ito ba? Dito ba?
Oh,
It's
yeah.
a base
Oh,
powder.
sige. So,
So,
base
same
powder.
kami.
Shiseido from Baby Pressed Powder. Nabili ko yung sa Japan. Ayun, sa Japan. And then ito na nakakulan sa kanya.
Ito, gift lang to. Bilang isang kuripot, walang pera. Ayan. As in, parang baby powder lang talaga siya na white.
And then next, eyebrow product.
Excuse me, lahat yata ng eyebrow sa akin ang galing.
Oh, hindi ah. So, ito, yeah, it's from Ate Jenny. Let's face it. Wala tayong pera. Let's face it. It's from the Face Shop.
So, the Face
Kasi
Shop,
galing kay
yeah.
Ate Janine. Anong shade?
Ang daming promo ng the Face Shop for
It's
eyebrows.
it's 02 gray brown.
So, nabili ko yata siya 225 for tuna.
Ako guys, di ako nagkikilay. Kasi, ganda na may kilay. Wow, charot lang. Pero ito yung minsan gamit ko. Itong Boy Brow na Glossier. Kanina ko siya nalaman kay Ray Hermar ulit kasi super idol ko siya.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Lahat ng makeup ni Ray Hermar binibili niya.
Okay naman siya pero medyo
Ang
pricey.
daming kwento.
Okay, so next, ano yung next? Cheeks.
Chicken.
So for my cheeks, I'm using the Bennett tint from Benefit. Mahal siya, like 800 pesos. Pero I think 600 ko lang nabili sa States. So sobrang liit lang niya, look. And then second, I'm using this one from Happy Skin. It's so cute kasi para siyang dusk and it's
Ginaya
cheaper.
niya ako.
Yeah, ginaya ko siya. Well, ginaya niya yan kay Ray Hermar and then ginaya ko siya kasi I'm not watching Ray Hermar. So,
What's that shade? So, I'm using this from Happy Skin. So, this is the shade Dainty. Yung sa production ni Catherine Bernard.
oh yeah, this one's ano pala? The Under the Sheets Kiss Proof.
Sobrang okay niya.
Happy Skin!
Guys, ito naman yung for my cheeks, yung Benettin. Same kami ni Chess. $24 namin nabili for two, diba? Pero plus tax pa. Tapos, pero super konti niya. Parang, ilang, 4 ml? Ganun lang siya.
From Happy
Ito,
Skin.
pero ito yung ginagamit ko for my cheeks.
Huwag yung Benefit mahal.
Benettin kayo, guys.
Wow. For the
Yeah, medyo mahal lang.
Okay,
pero-
next.
Okay, next lip product. So for my lip product, yeah, I'm using this one also kasi this one's lip and cheek tint. And may Shut Up and Kiss Me na The Morning After from
Di
Happy
pala ako
Skin as well.
nakapag-makeup bago.
Nakuha, na ko to kay ate. Sa kanilang dalawa. Like, they use it and then it's nice. So,
Okay, so for me, I have my everyday lipstick na dapat lagi kong dala. First one is the Toasted Brown by Maybelline. So it's their powder mattes na collection. So I like this a lot. So ganito yung packaging niya. Medyo orangey yung. Tapos may times na gusto ko lang parang no makeup look talaga everyday. So I use this Revlon matte. Di ko alam yung shade. Pero anyway, wag na.
Oh, done ka na?
Yeah.
Ako, so for my lips, ito yung moisturizer na ginagamit ko. Pero di naman ako faithful sa paggamit nito. Pero ito yung Vaseline Lip Therapy na Rosy Lips. Tapos, for my lipstick, katulad nung sabi ni Chess, ito, tong Happy Skin na Kiss Proof Milky Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Under the Sheets. Tapos, napanood ko siya kay Ray Hermar ulit. Kasi, as always, favorite vloggers. Kung ano meron siya, gusto ko rin.
Oh,
Or ito din, meron din akong ito.
Kalat!
Happy Skin,
What's the
Kiss
shade?
and Bloom, in the shade Serene naman.
So for lip balm, yung nakalimutan namin is share ni Chess. Pero this one is our favorite.
Yeah,
so this
Lucas
is Lucas
Papao.
Papao. You can buy this from Australia, pero I think they have it already here.
SNR.
Sa SNR or
And
sa Watson
Watsons.
siguro. Pero it's
pricey.
pricey here compared sa Australia. Like, sobrang mura nito. Then you can buy malaking packaging pa. From
Guys, thank you for watching our first vlog.
Yes. Thank you for watching our first
If you want more videos, comment down below.
Comment down below as well kung sino yung pinakamaganda sa aming tatlo.
sino
Team Jean tayo, Team Jean.
No,
Team Jean,
Team
isang
Cheska.
ka naman dyan.